Okay, we're in the garage and the door's closed. So the acoustics, obviously, with a concrete floor are not very good. This is just a typical two-car garage. We're going to see what these things sound like in that garage with the door closed. So we're going to start at 40%. These are both, the 710 and the 310 are in bass boost 1 mode. We're going to start with the 310 on the right, 40%. Here we go. $710. Whoa. $310. The 310's got some good thump to the bass, but man, that 710. $710. Whoa. The lights are tripping out my camera. $310. $710. Dang. That is a lot of bass. Let's change tracks. Go up to 60%. So that's a little quick demo, garage style. The 310 is pretty impressive. The 710, dang, man. It's killing it. Absolutely killing it. My son's laughing at me. All right, that's all for this one. I'll try to get another video with these things going here pretty quick. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you at the next one. Like your hat. Like your cut, G. Get a haircut, kid. That's a wrap.